What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. My name is Montoya. So this video is all about my PDF pattern, the Sariyha Skirt, which features two slits in the front. It has two slits in the front. The waistband features a flat front elastic back situation, for our ever-changing waistlines. And yeah, this is that summertime fine skirt. And this one I have made in many different kinds of fabric, 100% cotton, rayon, crepe. Looking at my stash. Yes, let's jump into an overview of everything that is included in the PDF pattern, as well as an overview of all of the chapters that are included in the free sew along. All right, let's jump in. First, starting off with the pattern overview. So little description, add some spice to your wardrobe with the Sariyha skirt. Like I mentioned, it is a double front slit maxi skirt that has that flat front elastic back. So with the PDF pattern, it includes the instruction booklet as well as different printing options. So there is the copy shop version, as well as the print at home version, and a large format option. So the difference between that one and the other copy shop version is that this is just on one long continuous page, the large format, but some printing companies aren't able to print the large format, so therefore you would go with the standard copy shop version. All right, and also want to touch on the sizing for this pattern. So here on the listing page, you'll find the size chart as well as within the instruction booklet, but the size range is from size 4 to 24. So with that waist measurement, that is a 26-inch waist to a 58-inch waist. And for centimeters, that's 66 centimeters to a waist measurement of 147 centimeters. All right, so that's an overview of the pattern and what's included. Next, we'll jump into the course curriculum. So once inside of the course, these are the different chapters, the PDF pattern, getting started, cutting out our skirt, sewing the skirt, and some bonus content. So in the PDF pattern section, you'll find all of the things that I just mentioned previously, the instruction booklet and the different printing options. You'll also find a copy shop printing recommendations. So different companies that you can get the large format and also the copy shop versions printed through. Next, gonna jump into getting started. Here you will find a welcome, how to take your measurements, determining your size, fabric requirements, supplies, materials and supplies, as well as the elastic guide. So I go over the different types of elastic that you will be able to choose from. I have tried many types of elastic, so I'll discuss each one of these and help to guide you to determine which one is best for you. All right, after getting started, we'll jump into the cutting out our skirt. So talk about the taping instructions, the paper pattern, cutting out the skirt, then diving into sewing up the skirt. We'll talk about sewing the front panel, and then dive into sewing the front and the back. Also talk about that good old waistband, sewing up that flat front elastic back waistband, and then jumping into wrapping up and finishing off that hem. Last but not least, some troubleshooting, So if you have come across any challenges, I go through some tips and tricks here on how to troubleshoot your skirt if you should run into any challenges. All right, y'all, that concludes the overview of the Sariyha skirt. If you decide to make this for yourself, please do send me a photo or, video of your skirt blowing in the wind. I would love to see it. It inspires me on my sewing journey. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and until next time.